The Patriot Viper Elite 5 Ultra RGB DDR5-6000 2x24GB features the legendary M-die chips, but are programmed at only DDR5-6000. Are these lower bin ICs just being held back, or are there lots of potential to unleash? The last time I played with these in the Patriot Viper Elite 5 Ultra DDR5-6000 2x48GB, I was able to push it up 20% to DDR5-7200, where the timings were loosened to 40, 52, 52, 135 to match the Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5-8400 2x24GB using the same ICs. That was a 96GB kit, so what can we do with a 48GB kit? Incredibly, a lot. I was able to push the Patriot Viper 5 Ultra RGB DDR5-6000 2x24GB a whopping 2.4 GHz up to DDR5-8400 Prime 95 stable, unchanged at 1.40 volts to quite literally replicate the stock DDR5-8400 models. This is an insane 40% overclock. Of course, your mileage may vary. The only thing not replicated is the fact these are not CU DIMMs, so there is no clock driver used to regenerate the clock cycle for improved stability at higher frequencies. In our charts, the Patriot Viper Elite 5 Ultra RGB benchmarked with my Intel Core Ultra 7 265K delivered solid performance for its speed class. The medium profile heat spreaders will not likely interfere with anything, and should anything go wrong, there is lifetime warranty like other Patriot Viper memory products. For about $360 at the time of making this video, that is, if you can even get your hands on it, the Patriot Viper Elite 5 Ultra RGB DDR5-6000 2x24GB is a solid memory kit that packs potentially insane overclocking potential. Let me know in the comments what you think of these RAM.